What's up, guys? Logan here. So right now I'm at the deli, and look at this. It's raining. It's like really hard. It's like a storm. You wanna be in it? No? I don't care. So I got my boy Alex TV. Oh my god. Yeah. So we got our bikes. It's just all going crazy. It's going stupid. Raining. So we were right here, right? I'm gonna show you. We were going right down here. Started raining. Got our bikes. Now our bikes are up here, right? Our bikes are right here. Alex TV's Guavacados. Guavacados bikes. And yeah, we're pretty much like stuck here. Stuck at a deli because it's raining. Pouring like hard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do that. Intro will be coming back. Look, I'm about to run this here.
Ready?
No.
So today, if it gets better, we're planning on doing Try for Football Players Part 2, but
It's their last day in the United States until they go for vacation. So yeah, that's really sad for me, because I'm not gonna see him for like 2 months, and then I'll see him again for school. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. That's all I'm gonna do, and that's when I say yee yee.